Hello everyone, welcome to Cyber Sentinels. In this video, we will see how to apply password policy in Windows Server 2022 Active Directory. In our previous video, we saw how to set up Active Directory, DNS, DHCP, organization units, and user accounts, and also how to link Active Directory to the client systems or user systems. So in this one, we will see about password policy. Let's jump into it. For that, we go to Tools, Group, Policy Management. So you will see only forest like this. So go into the forest and domains, and then Cyber Sentinels or whatever the domain you set there, and in default domain policy. Okay, you will see this, and here, okay, let me maximize it first. In settings, you will see the password policy or whatever the policy we have or whatever the details we have related to this particular domain, we can see here. So in policies, you can see Windows settings, security settings, and account policies. So last enforced password history is 24 password remember. That means last 24 passwords it can remember. Minimum password age 42 days. So after 42 days it will expire. Minimum password age is like 1 day. This we can set. And minimum password length is 7 characters. So this is what we are going to update. And password must meet complexity requirement enabled. So we will see what is the complexity requirement and everything in the upcoming session. Store password using reversible encryption disabled. So let us leave this as disabled. And how to do it? Edit. You go to policies, Windows settings. Okay, I'll maximize this. And in security settings. In security settings, you can see what are all there. So account policies, so password policy. So this is where we saw about 24 passwords remember and everything. So if we want to harden our password policy, we go to password length. So set it as a minimum 8 or even 10 characters, and in explanation it will show what are the policy related to this 10 characters. Here you can see it must require capital letter, small letter, numbers, and everything. So it is based on the policy what we are setting. So click apply. So immediately it changed. Okay. And minimum password age, you can change it to 30 days. So every month they have to change it. If you put password age 0, the password the password will never expire. So let's not do that. Okay, minimum password length audit. So yes, this one we don't have to do anything. So we leave as it is. And next one is account lockout policy, which is very important. So why we need account lockout policy? If someone try to make an invalid login attempt, so it will lock the account. So let's say 4 attempts and it will lock out, right? So here, as you can see, account duration, by default, it is setting to 10 minutes, and allow administration account lockout enabled in here. Reset account lockout counter after 10 minutes. This means that when someone tries to do a brute force or invalid login attempts, after 4 login attempts, it will lock out for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, account will open and they can change the password. If it is, if only administrator can unlock, means you set it to 0. So we don't want to call administrator each and every time when we get logged out. So let's leave it like this, and after 10 minutes a user can try to unlock their account by entering the right password. So let's close this. So we can close this as well, and we can see things should be updated here. See, everything is done. So 10 characters what we set, and 30 days and 24 password remembers. Everything is enabled. So now we have to push it to all users, so that this particular password policy is enabled in all client systems. So in order to do that, we have to go to domain controllers and group policy update. We have one computer where we set in, so put yes, and CS Win22 DC1. Cyber originals. This one is updated. Save. No, we don't have to save it. So we close it. As you can see, it is updating the policy. However, so we close this just to make sure that it is doing it correctly. We go here and then Windows PowerShell. We enter a command GPU update. GP update /force updating policy. Has completed successfully. Very good. So in this case, we can close this, and everything is done. Tools, Active Directory users and computers. Just to make sure that this is done properly. So we go to reset password. So we set the new password length as 10 character. Let's see whether it is working or not. See, it is not accepting. So let's apply at least 10 characters. Voila. So it is changed. This is how we apply group password policy and harden the password policy for the entire organization. So try it out, guys, and let me know if you have any comments or the next topic which I should create as an instruction video. Thank you. Bye-bye.